Hey guys, welcome to our first YouTube video.
Woo, woo. Ah! Woo.
We are the It's.
IJ.
Welcome.
But today, you're the It's her.
Yeah. So, my name is Isabella. You can call me IJ. I'm amazing, and y'all should subscribe. Do you have anything to say, Trisha? I see you, Allie. Bye. Dead.
Excuse me, that was not very nice.
Neither was what you were doing. Are you serious? I hate you all.
That wasn't me. So I was bombing Allie's team, and this idiot just decided to get in front of me.
I hate that. I'm gonna
see, I always try to block across the void, but people always catch me and kill me.
What? No. What? No. So basically, there are 3 voices that you may or may not. I'm on Trisha's team. Okay.
Excuse me, I just got blown up. You better rejoin and get to my team because we're being crushed and we could really use an extra foot.
Oh, I was about to aim for you.
That's it.
I was about to get. Oh, sick! I got a new follower. Thank you.
I just scared my dog because she was taking down the
I just died, but that's okay.
I saw you, IJ. One of my own teammates is trying to kill me.
Are they placing bombs? I saw you. Ooh.
Ooh,
I wonder who won.
Stop bullying. Definitely not you, IJ. You rejoined.
I don't care if I'm cheating. I'm amazing, and I'm.
No, you're not.
And you should be grateful to have me.
How is it that we're besties, but we always have sold each other?
Okay. So that voice that you were just hearing was Trisha. He's the T. She's the T part. It's. Oh, Allie and I are on the same team. Trisha, we're going for you.
What team are you guys on? No, don't go for me. Oh, you're on yellow team. Thanks,
no, we're not.
Alright, I'm gonna go for red.
I'm gonna go for blue.
Scary skeleton.
You!
Down your spine.
You! My lag, though. My lag is, top notch. Trisha! Hey, Trisha! You're so mean! You killed me! Why is everyone here? It's because, oh my god! Good.
No, I died. Oh my god, our freaking base. Oh my god.
Allie, this is your fault.
How is it my fault? God.
I'm here to protect.
I was over at team was dead.
I was stuck. I need a reset.
I said I went over to no. I'm surprised that our parents aren't yelling at us for being so loud. Yeah.
Trisha! I hate you so much.
No, you don't.
I loathe you.
Trisha, stop bombing me. I finally made it up there, and then Trisha was all no.
She's all snatched.
Oh.
She literally snatches our life. Ah!
I hate you, Trisha. No, I died. You guys not look like yours, so that's okay.
I hate you so much. I hope you know that.
You love me.
No, I don't.
You're the one that.
I need to stop.
I'm resetting. I give up.
I just bombed myself off the void.
I hope you know that was a very stupid thing to do.
You're. Oh wow! I failed at bombing my own team.
Guys, I'm not gonna bomb you guys because you already look bad enough.
Wow, thanks.
We're unstoppable.
Yeah. adjective that we could use.
But you're very stoppable.
We are so very stoppable.
Okay, this is gonna be a far jump. Not really.
Made it.
Okay, so if you didn't know, we're playing holy. Spire Brick Battle.
Yeah, please,
What happened? Why did you say holy?
as if your life depends
Oh
on
my gosh! It's you!
Please,
What's me?
You're you.
I am me.
Unfortunately, yes.
No.
Okay, wait. Okay. Oh no. We're gonna need to bridge into there.
You!
AJ!
That's your fault!
It finally was working.
That was all your fault!
My fault.
You pushed me!
Pushed you. I would never.
The camera saw it all. It pushed me. I said what?
I did you rejoin?
Yeah, I'm leaving and rejoining so that I can be on blue.
You're on.
The blue team has been eliminated.
Oh, never mind.
It's okay, AJ. You can build. It's okay.
Ah!
Little does Green know I am very slowly seeking into their base.
I really just want to eliminate my own team.
Boy,
Do that then.
our team is you and me.
I'm trying. I was trying to, honestly.
It's okay, because I'm over at Green's base. Hey!
Maybe we could use green. Oh my gosh. Trisha, you're on blue.
I am.
Someone is trying to bomb me. Is that you?
No, I'm killing
I'm
your
like-
team currently.
Green doesn't know that I'm down here, but like I am, so it's like
Someone is trying to get me, and I'm super scared, but you know. Queen of _musically. What is musically? It's called TikTok.
Hashtag I'm bombing Green right now, and they have no clue.
That was the worst hashtag I've ever heard.
And they just like have their base fell off, and they're all like so confused.
Ah! He killed me.
I'm working my way from the bottom.
Oh my gosh, that's you! Ah! Trisha!
I dodged it.
Oh, you dodged it? Oh, is that so?
Yes, that is so.
I'm gonna get you.
Okay, I'm like so getting Green right now. But I like so need to kill someone first. So like I'm hoping I'm just gonna be able to like sneak up and just be like, hey! Okay, dead.
Okay, let's try to not get demonetized.
You
Let
just
me
know what that means? Ah! I hate you.
I know.
Yellow team doesn't know I'm literally in the bottom of their base right now.
Oh wait, is that so? Wait, really?
I mean, green team. I'm
Yeah,
like,
I was
I'm
like-
still, I literally, yellow doesn't realize that the only level alive is the level they're on. And I'm pretty sure the people on that level are dead.
Wow. Yay. Way to go.
If I fall on this O.
Oh my god!
What team are you guys on?
That doesn't matter.
We're
I'm
not
on-
going to bomb each other this time. Wow.
Okay,
did
fine.
I-
Let's team and go for green.
What are you doing?
Oh, shoot. Oh, there's a
What
kid
team are
right
you
there
guys
that I
on?
just
Darn.
killed.
Break. Young
Let's
chef.
go.
Let's
Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! Oh, I died. That's okay. Trisha, no, you're not allowed to go for my team.
I don't even know what team you're on. What team are you? Shush. Shush. Kush.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. He's doing that tactic.
What tactic?
What team are you on, IJ?
I'm on yours.
My team?
Oh,
Okay.
shoot.
Because I'm like bombing red right now, and I wouldn't want to like find out.
Trisha, don't get me.
I know, IJ. I know.
Look at, did you guys see half it just toppled off? Yeah, that was me.
Ah!
Guys,
I'm so mad.
look what I did to red.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Love it.
Rip red.
Someone's username is Star Wars Fan in Love, and
I
I
have a
love it.
strategy.
IJ, your team is bombing me. What the heck? Stop it.
It's not me. So like, I guess that's what
Okay,
matters. You're not allowed to go for my team.
Fritzy doesn't realize that I'm like sister here. Oh frick! Someone just realized that I'm sister here.
Wow.
Did they realize that I'm sister here?
I'm just trying to eliminate their spawner. It's like the good
The
human
real
that I
thing
am.
is, does he realize that I'm sister here? Oh, never mind. He realizes that I'm sister here.
Oh shoot! He realizes I'm sister here.
Guys, you're not James Charles.
Yes,
Stop
you
saying
do.
this right now.
You're right. I'm not. I'm better. No, that's probably not
He's
true.
trying
Don't
to
hate
tell
on me.
people that I'm like
not.
down here, but like they're not taking the hint.
Wow. Oh! Dead.
Die
Boom.
already.
Hat.
And
Oh
spawn
shoot! He
somewhere.
spawned right over there.
Oh my god, this
Shoot! There's someone here.
They have one spawner, and I can like so get it.
Wait, Trisha, were you getting our team?
No, I'm all the way over here.
Yes.
Don't get me!
I can get this.
It was meant for the other guy who's bombing right
Ah! Okay, I can.
They killed you anyways. Boo.
Red has like 0.5 of them remaining, and I like almost got rid of it. It's like literally on an edge.
Maybe Jason will one day
I
be
think-
the
yeah.
I take the third level.
Shoot.
I take the third level.
Shoot.
Literally
Did
just-
you hear me?
What? What'd you say?
Jason will one day be the new James Charles.
I can so see it. Don't get us!
Trisha, what you doing?
My
Hey.
sister fell.
I'm
You're
I'm
trying to get
out.
sister us. We use
Because you guys are gonna bomb my team.
No, we weren't. We were going for red.
Kill, wait for it. All right, now we're going for you.
Wait, or should we go for green?
Green
Never mind,
team
we're going-
is like already dead, so no.
All right, I'm going for green. I need to make sure they're
No,
completely dead.
What the heck?
I smell like hot dogs or something in the oven, and man, I'm
Hot dogs in
hungry.
the oven? What?
Oh! Oh no, dead. I hate yellow.
IJ, I have a question.
What?
What, I saw this on Celia's Instagram, by the way. What is, wait, I forgot what it was. Celia is Celia with what?
What? What do you mean?
Fill in the blank.
I'm so confused.
What can Celia not live without?
A
Or
phone?
phone.
That too.
Friends, a social life.
Instagram.
She doesn't have one.
Hi. Hi.
Where are you?
Hi.
Did you guys not realize that I literally got rid of
Green.
no yellow?
Thank you.
I'm on Yellow Alley.
Hey!
I will
I got
kill
rid-
you.
I got rid of your bottom two spawners. I just have 2 left. Get back.
Yeah. I'm gonna aim a bit for green. This spawn is upside down, but we're gonna ignore that. Man, I bet you guys are so bored out of your minds watching us do nothing. Cause so am I.
You guys could call the guys the hashtag It Squad.
Oh my gosh, that yes!
Not sister.
Oh hi!
God.
Hi!
I hate you.
Wait,
I
guys,
hate
wait,
you too.
Trisha. Wait for it. And wait for it, you're the only teammate left.
We
I was
still
like-
died!
I'm sorry, I was like,
Oh my
kind
gosh, she left and rejoined!
of- oh my god.
What a noob.
Is she on our team now?
Yep. She's
Oh,
such
I
a
think
noob
we're trying
who
to
leaves and
rejoin.
rejoins.
I'm screen
Okay.
recording.
I literally got rid of red
No,
and
I'm
yellow.
bombing our
Like,
team.
they
just
deserve
because
so
I
much
want
respect
to.
here.
Oh my gosh.
I'm bombing our team.
Hey, you.
No.
I'm not gonna stop.
I'm gonna kill you, Trisha. I'm coming for you.
You can't kill me.
Okay, she's trying to kill us. I'm just gonna quick.
Oh my gosh!
Green is like already in fatal condition, so I kind of just need to like come. and it'll
Shoot,
be
there's
okay.
this dude is really pro.
I think he's
I know,
hacking.
my god, I hated him.
I
Why
can still
can't I
do.
bomb us?
Yay, I killed him. Huh?
Frick, they have
You know what? I give up. I can't bomb us, so, like...
That's because you're not supposed to bomb yourself.
Or like you can.
Honey, I know it's hard math. I know.
I hate
Uneducated rat.
IJ, you didn't know what the rainbow flag was. Like, that's pretty much logic.
I'm just gonna bomb, like, the top of their base and hope that I get one of their spawners.
There's only one spawner, and it's down here.
I'm dead!
Oh, right. Yeah, well, Rip Green.
You can't go back up.
I can't go! Trisha!
I found a spawner. And... Wait for
I
it.
hope you know.
I had to reset because...
No, what happened to... Green still has some spawner. Let's go.
Well, obviously.
Trisha, I still loathe you, and that'll never change. Anyways,
It's going
love you!
for yellow, but he doesn't realize
Trisha,
that
stop making me lag! Matt dead.
How is it my fault?
It's not your fault.
I hate you. Who is showing like that?
Allie. Whoopsies, I just wasted a bomb, but that's
I'm
okay.
eating, IJ, you want to make a guess on what I'm eating?
Tic Tacs?
Yeah.
Hey! Yeah, boyos! Dead.
I'm bombing us again. And I'm
Stop
so sorry.
it! You're so mean!
You bombed my team.
And
After
you,
you said not to bomb this team.
you started bombing us. You started killing us.
I was killing you, not bombing you. I hate you.
I hate you too.
No, you don't.
Shoot. Ah, I hate it when he does that.
Just kind of walk.
No, he's gonna get us.
It's okay. Just kind of walk away. It'll be okay.
It'll be
You know what? I want to kill us, not him.
I want to kill
leaving-
us, not him.
When he does this, he's like leaving
Love
his
that.
team thing like
Shoot!
unguarded.
I died!
I'm gonna kill him. Where is he? Where is
Oh my gosh! 2 people are killing our team!
Fine, I'll just kill them.
Thank you. You know what? I'm gonna do what he does. That did nothing. Great. Shoot. I just killed my own team.
I do.
Don't
There's
let
a
me out.
spawner! Yeah, boy! Just die. Boom, dead.
Allie, I hope you know you're not gonna do anything.
Stop.
Where's the last dude?
Allie, you just die.
I purposely died, duh.
Is he on our team? Or is he on our base?
Yeah,
Obviously.
I killed him.
Yes!
We did Sister 1!
Yes!
Oh my god, we're all green. Alright,
Okay,
green
guys,
is-
so for this last round, we are all on green team.
Sister guys.
Are we
Okay, a girl's
hashtag
going for
it squad, or are we hashtag no thanks?
I'm going to blue and bombing them, so like
God.
Be
Bomb
prepared
the
for
blue
this,
team. Bomb the blue
prepared
team.
for this awesomeness. Also this video has
No,
been
we all
blessed
have
by
to
the
bomb different teams.
today
Okay,
it isn't just
wait, I'll
it's
get yellow. Yellow's
Alright,
a bit
I know,
sassy
right.
and annoying and
Okay, I'll be in
Yeah.
charge of yellow. I'll be in charge of blue. IJ can do yellow, and Trisha will try red.
Ooh, Trisha will try red.
Ouch. That hurt, Allie.
Ouch.
Yes. I don't love you. I hate. I'm not Maria.
I hate. I'm not Maria.
I'm not
I
about
hate.
myself, but when I went through, it all makes sense.
IJ, are you failing your mission at yellow?
What? No.
What? No, what? No.
I already have 3 kills, so
Guys, when we're in high school, we all need to get matching tattoos.
No.
Shush. And piercings.
That's
We're all
real
gonna get
life.
belly button piercings, okay?
oh my gosh.
No.
Trisha,
Yes.
I think you're going a bit too far.
No, because I want one. There's so
Because
many.
I want one. Wow.
Did I kill
Trisha,
them?
always thinking of others.
Since
I
2001.
I'm not.
You're not even that old, but you know
I'm
what?
not
I don't
18,
care. I'm a
that's
rebel. Also, someone may or may not be at our base right now bombing us.
Wait for it. Hey, baby!
Yes!
Guess who succeeded at their mission at Blue?
Guess who is doing things?
You.
You.
Oh, I think that sounds way too weird. Take that back now.
Oh, I'm taking that back. Okay, let's see if we're the green, blue, whatever, awesome.
Oh,
Hashtag
shoot.
squad
Darn.
goals.
I killed them. I killed the red team. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yellow.
I
Yes,
think
we're all done. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god,
That was
guys,
so
we're the only
quick.
one. We're an almighty team. Did we just win?
Wait,
There's
wait,
one
wait.
red person left.
This is
Come on.
one red person.
I'm killing myself so I can go back to the
This
base.
Wait, you guys. Go onto the yellow path.
The way.
Oh, guys, this
Okay, end the video.
Okay, so okay, wait, we need to do a proper outro.
one. That was Ita, and
Ew.
that was DOOMSPIRE BRICKBATTLE.
Yeah, that
SUV.
was DOOMSPIRE Brick Battle. I hope you
What
enjoyed
team
our
are you guys
third
on?
or
Guys,
our.
Guys,
How did I
what
say
team
I
are-
hope?
guys,
Shut
what
up,
team are-
Trisha.
What team are you?
I'm on your team, Trisha.
What team is Allie on?
Green.
Frick, my hand is like so numb right now. It's not okay. Oh, frick.
You're not okay
Damn.
either. The
My
same
hand
thing
is
happened
numb.
with the same girl last round.
She's so annoying. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Yes, we killed it.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Do you just have Allie in the bathroom?
we probably will have more special guests like
Allie's not
Allie
special.
on our video.
I'm gonna be here.
On our videos. I hope we weren't too annoying.
Eventually, this is
Oh.
Ita.
I hope you don't notice that we only laugh at our own jokes.
Yeah.
I'm bombing green. Which
I
team
hope
am
you
on?
notice that when I edit this, it's going to be really bad quality.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
Are you recording on your laptop?
Yeah.
Oof. I hate MacBooks.
Okay.
Trisha's a hater.
No, MacBooks actually. Why did
It's
they
in our
cost
blood.
like $1,000 and they're not?
Mine is 800. I'm cheap. eBay style.
Trisha?
I wouldn't trust.
I wouldn't trust. Well.
Thank you. Next, I'm getting a Surface Pro one day.
Trisha, we're gonna get our video demonetized if you keep talking trash.
It's not called demonetization. It's called something else. I've got 8 kills already.
You
Y'all
mean
can never.
copyright?
I
Y'all
just
mean
fell in a
copyright?
hole.
You know, in our arts, we're learning about copyright. That's right, in our art.
Lucky. Oh my gosh. I love.
No, literally in
I
arts,
hate
when I had
copyright.
him, all he talked about was politics.
Politics.
We're going to we're gonna eventually end up editing a video. So I'm gonna get some
You
skills,
realize I
man.
know the blue team?
Maybe
You're
someday
voicing.
I'll
Yeah.
become the editor of it.
Oh no. Somebody's
Maybe
voting.
one day I'll actually be able to hire an editor. Like
Maybe
the good
one
person that I am.
If I actually get editing skills, you'll like send the footage to me, and I'll be all do, and you'll give me $5.
$5.
Fine, you'll buy me Oreos.
Man, Oreos at the cafeteria like are $5. Man, but I'm thriving
But
here on
you
Yellow.
could have like the frontier mom that you just wanted Oreos. You know? And it wouldn't be like, hey mom, I need $5.
Didn't somebody just put $200 more on your lunch account?
Oh, and wait,
That was too.
alright, well, this has been the video, and bye.
So
Bye.
I really do hope that you enjoyed our first video. Make sure you like, subscribe,
You're
and
not
comment.
professional yet. Shut up.
Well,
For
bye.
other suggestions that you may or may not.
We don't have any
Want us to do.
subscribers yet.
We have five of me. So
Yeah.
and a Jason. So like, okay. So I hope you guys have enjoyed our first video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on those YouTube notifications so that you never miss another video.
Oh my god, oh my god.
And
Oh my god, oh my god.
shut up! And if you want to see us rage in maybe the game Roblox Death Run, or if you're just looking forward to new challenges for us to do, like the pizza challenge, 100 ice cream
challenge.
flavors challenge.
We also play
Um,
Minecraft. Wait, actually, no, we don't,
Oh
because
my
Trisha
God,
can't
oh my God.
play Minecraft.
I'll get it for her. So,
I
anyways,
hate Minecraft.
Someday
I
we're gonna play Minecraft.
really do hope you enjoyed, and so does this.
You're not a professional.
As
And like
can
you
tell,
are,
there
dude.
different
Have you looked
layers
in the
of
mirror
sassy.
recently?
No.
Obviously. Okay. Anyways, so
We killed them!
that dude said, "Come back." That was a lie.
Come
That
back!
dude on Red Team was all like, "Come back."
I'm gonna bomb our team now. Crap.
Okay. Anyways, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the
Who are
next
the
one.
guys?
Trisha, Allie, say bye right now.
Bye!
No.
Wow, Allie's all like, bye. Trisha's all like, nope.